Okay, here we are. We got gasoline, we got wood, and I got dry weather here for the first time in, oh, I don't know, 2 months. Need to get this burning out of the way. So y'all just enjoy the video. Burn season's about over and I'm getting it in just in time. Kind of at an even keel. He's either flaming crazy or smoldering out. So I think we got a good coal bed and should burn good till it's all burned up. Gloves when you do this. I've done all this without adult supervision. What do you think of that?
I just think that probably the neighborhood didn't know the danger that it was in.
Now we're talking an 85-year-old poplar tree that was cut down 3 weeks ago, and this is what's left. It's probably 75 feet tall. I'll show you a video of it. This is it. This is a really hot fire. You think I'm sitting here nice and comfy? The side of me facing this fire is on fire. Oh, me. Now the key to a good burn is just tending it. Kind of like when you grill. People go, how'd you learn how to grill so well? The secret to grilling is just keep your eye on it. Don't let it go. Watch it close. Same with a fire. Keep moving it. Keep letting it breathe, get some oxygen. And the number one thing to anything you do is always have adult supervision. Linda?
And I'm the adult supervision.
Exactly.
Oh, and look what I'm eating.
What are you eating?
Ice cream with a little chocolate, a little caramel, and some pecans.
Let me see that. What can I get? Just want to get a good view of it there. You gotta turn it. Yeah, that looks hideous. I would never eat. Well, I would eat that in a heartbeat if she leaves it alone. Linda, you got that fire really going. How'd you do that?
Oh, special powers. And I'm using my stick. And I'm going over and I'm getting some old bark from the old tree, putting it in just the right spots. And look what we got going here.
All right, I'll be here taking up your slack. Okay, I've lost my supervision. It's time to dance around the fire. All right, I started this fire at 3:30 this afternoon. It's like the eternal flame. This is almost all poplar, and the stump is pine. Why is this fire just going forever and ever? Again, started 3:30. It's now 9:30, and beautiful fire. I just wonder why it's not consumed. It's almost biblical, isn't it? Yeah, Moses built a fire. It will never go out. I think that was in the Book of Concordance. 11:15, and it's still going strong.